Did you know that the Earth has tiny plants living in the ocean? These tiny plants are not just any plants, they are the unsung heroes of our planet. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. They are so small, you need a microscope to see them. Imagine peering through a microscope and discovering a whole new world of these tiny wonders. These tiny plants are called phytoplankton. They come in various shapes and colors, making them as fascinating as they are important. They are super important for all life on Earth. Without them, the balance of life in the ocean and on land would be disrupted. Let's learn about these amazing little plants. They might be tiny, but their impact is enormous. Phytoplankton are like tiny superheroes floating in the water. They produce oxygen, which is essential for us to breathe. They may be small, but they do big things for our planet. They help regulate the Earth's climate and are a vital part of the food chain. Their world is full of wonder. The ocean is teeming with these tiny plants, each playing its part in the grand scheme of life. Let's dive in and explore the magical world of phytoplankton. There's so much to discover about these incredible organisms that power our planet. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants. This means they are very, very tiny, like specks of dust floating in the sea. Even though they're small, they are real plants, just like the trees in your backyard or the flowers in a garden. Just like plants on land, phytoplankton need sunlight to grow. They take in sunlight and use its energy to make their food. They also need nutrients from the water to grow big and strong. Phytoplankton live in the ocean. These microscopic plants are essential to marine ecosystems and play a crucial role in the Earth's carbon cycle. They like to float near the surface of the water where the sun shines brightly. Sunlight is vital for their survival because they use it to perform photosynthesis, just like land plants. They can be found in all the oceans around the world, from the warm tropics to the cold polar regions. No matter where you go, if there's sunlight and water, you'll likely find phytoplankton. Phytoplankton can't swim like fish. Instead, they rely on the movement of the water to carry them around. They float in the water and drift with the currents. These currents can take them to different parts of the ocean, spreading them far and wide. Sometimes, when there are lots of nutrients in the water and the sun is shining, phytoplankton grow and multiply very quickly, creating what looks like a green or blue swirl in the ocean. This rapid growth can be both beautiful and important for marine life. This is called a phytoplankton bloom. These blooms can provide a rich source of food for many marine creatures, from tiny zooplankton to large whales. Section 4. Tiny plants, big importance. Phytoplankton are incredibly important for the ocean and for the whole planet. These microscopic plants float near the surface of the water and are a crucial part of the marine ecosystem. They are the base of the ocean food chain. Without them, the entire marine food web would collapse. Tiny sea creatures called zooplankton eat phytoplankton. These zooplankton are then eaten by larger marine animals. Then small fish eat the zooplankton and bigger fish eat the smaller fish. This chain continues up to the largest predators in the ocean. It's like a giant underwater buffet. Each level of the food chain relies on the level below it for survival. Phytoplankton also help our planet breathe. They perform photosynthesis, just like plants on land. Just like plants on land, they release oxygen into the water. This oxygen is essential for marine life. This oxygen is what fish and other sea creatures breathe. Without phytoplankton, the ocean would be a much less hospitable place. Amazingly, phytoplankton produce more than half of the oxygen we breathe on land. They are tiny but mighty, playing a huge role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. Section 5. Fun facts about phytoplankton. Did you know that there are many different types of phytoplankton? Some look like tiny balls, others like long chains, and some even have spines or wings. Phytoplankton come in many colors too, like green, blue, and even red. Some types of phytoplankton can even glow in the dark. This is called bioluminescence. When there are lots of these phytoplankton in the water, it can look like the ocean is sparkling. Isn't that amazing? Section 6. The magic of phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are like tiny magicians of the sea. They may be small, but they play a huge role in keeping our planet healthy and alive. They provide food for countless sea creatures and produce the oxygen we breathe. So next time you look at the ocean, remember the tiny plants that live beneath the surface. They are a reminder that even the smallest things can have the biggest impact.